Action forms habits, habits form lifestyle, lifestyle defines you. Shoes, gloves, helmet, balaclava. Checking the indicators. Always have a rug to clean. Checking the brake light. Positioning myself in the lane. Lane splitting with indication and caution. Always using engine braking while planning the slowing down. Why not have fun and use engine braking and well matching? Always have a shoulder look to protect the shoulder. Braking distance increases with speed and decreases with speed. Braking distance also equal to following distance. Speed increases, braking distance, thus following distance also increases. Finally, braking. Master the braking habits part 2 to be continued.